Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 2, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google application and then click here on the right upper corner. After that, tap on the settings and click to the voice section. After that, just tap to the voice match, and now to activate Hey Google option, you should click here once on the swatcher, then just click here to next. Click here yes I agree and say OK Google. OK Google, say again, and the third time OK Google. Now just click here to finish and click here now just not now, and as can you see the Hey Google option is activated. Just to activate the Hey Google feature, say OK Google, and as can you see the Google Assistant is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.